If you upload videos without doing keyword research, you are mostly guessing what people want to watch. Sometimes a video may perform well, but many times it wouldn't get the views that you expected. That is because people can only find your content if they are searching for the topic that you are covering. Good keyword research can help you to understand what your audience is looking for before you even start making a video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do YouTube keyword research step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the links from description for the keyword research tools that I mentioned in this video. By using description links, any available discount or promotion will be applied automatically. Now let's get started. The first step is choosing your main topic. Don't begin by searching for random keywords. Instead, think about the type of audience you want to attract. For example, if your channel is about technology, your topic might include AI tools, website builders, software reviews, or business tutorials. If you always create the videos around the same topic, YouTube will better understand your channel and your audience will know what to expect. Now, let's use YouTube search. Go to YouTube and start typing your topic into the search bar. Don't press enter yet. You will see several suggestions appear automatically. These suggestions are based on real searches that people make every day. They are one of the easiest ways to find video ideas because they come directly from YouTube users. For example, if you type email marketing, you might see suggestions like email marketing for beginner, email marketing full courses, email marketing strategy, or email marketing agency, or this kind of thing. These suggestions can become your next video topics. The next step is checking your competitors. Search for the videos about your topic and open the channels that appear at the top. Look at their most popular videos. Pay attention to their titles, thumbnails, and the topics they cover. If several successful channels are making videos on the same subject, that's usually a sign that people are interested in that topic. Don't copy their videos. Instead, look for ways to explain the topic more clearly, provide updated information, and answer the questions they didn't cover. Now let's use a keyword research tool. Tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ, this type of tools can show you useful information about keywords. You can see search volumes, competition, related keywords, and many other suggestions. This helps you choose a topic that people are searching for but are not too difficult to rank for, especially if your channel is still small. Another important step is choosing long tail keywords. Instead of targeting a very broad keyword like SEO, choose something that is more specific like SEO for beginners or how to improve your YouTube SEO. Longer keywords usually have less competition, making it easier for new channels to appear in the search results. Now, let's think about search intent. Ask yourself why someone is searching for that keyword. Are they trying to learn something? Are they comparing products? Are they looking for a tutorial? Your video should match exactly what the viewer wants. When your content answers their questions clearly, people are more likely to watch longer and YouTube may recommend your videos to more viewers. Let's also talk about your video title. After choosing a keyword, place it naturally near the beginning of your title whenever possible. Keep the title clear and easy to understand. Instead of trying to sound clever, focus on telling viewers exactly what they will learn from your video. Your thumbnail also does matter. Even if your keyword is perfect, people still need a reason to click. Create a clean thumbnail with large text, good contrast, and clear message. A strong thumbnail combined with a good title can significantly improve your click-through rates. Now let's talk about your description. Include your main keywords naturally in the first few lines of your video description. You can also mention related keywords, but don't repeat the same words over and over. Write your description for people first, not just for search engines. Finally, be patient. Keyword research helps your videos to get discovered, but YouTube also looks at watch time, audience retention, and viewer satisfaction. Keep creating helpful videos consistently, improve your titles and thumbnails, and continue learning from your analytics. Over time, you will discover what topics bring the most views to your channel. So, what's the best way to do YouTube keyword research? Choose a clear topic, use YouTube search for ideas, study successful competitors, use keyword research tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ, focus on long tail keywords, understand the search intent, and use SEO friendly titles, and create videos that genuinely help your audience. When you combine good keyword research with high quality content, chances of ranking and growing on YouTube become much higher. And that brings us to the end of today's tutorial. I hope this guide helped you to understand how to do keyword research for YouTube. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description for the tools that I mentioned in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.